Hello everyone, this is पायल तिवारी। वेलकम टू आवर चैनल आधारशिला क्लासेस। आज इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 10th के इंग्लिश बुक का प्रोज और पोएट्री सेक्शन का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आंसर फाइनल करने वाले हैं। ठीक है, तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। प्रोज सेक्शन का जो पहला चैप्टर है द पेस फॉर लिविंग, तो इसी से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है द मेन कैरेक्टर इन Pace for living which the author saw was A or N dash corn merchant. Correct option है A elderly. Question number 2. In the Pace for living the writer captures the agony of dash man. Correct option है A modern. Question number 3. The Pace for living is written by dash. Correct option है C R.C. Hutchinson. Question number 4. In the Pace for Living, R.C. Hutchinson discusses dash. Correct option है B. The agony of modern man. Question number 5. The writer of The Pace for Living belongs to the tribe of dash. Correct option हो जाएगा हमारा B. Slow thinkers. Question number 6. In the essay The Pace for Living, the corn merchant is dash. Correct option है A. An ambitious man. Question number 7. The pace for living is dash. Correct option है B. An essay. Question number 8 है In the essay Pace for Living, the writer speaks with dash. Correct option है D. Prejudice. Question number 9. The author of the story The Pace for Living enjoyed going in a car at dash. Correct option है A. 90 miles an hour. Question number 10. R.C. Hutchinson was A or N dash. Correct option है B. British novelist. Question number 11. Who had the fantastic notion of spending $10 on a holiday? Correct option है D. Wife of corn merchant. Question number 12. Who was cheating the corn merchant? Correct option है B. His nephew. Question number 13. Who didn't dislike the rapid movement of life? Correct option है C. The author. Question number 14. The Pace for Living, the author saw a play in dash. Correct option है C. Dublin. Question number 15. Corn merchant's wife was dash. Correct option है A. Fantastic nature. Chapter 2. Me and the ecology bit. Question number 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. John Lexo is the author of dash. Correct option है B. Me and the ecology bit. Question number 2. When the author of Me and the Ecology Bit went to Mr. Williams, he was dash. Correct option है B. Burning a straw. Question number 3. In Me and the Ecology Bit, the poet office was dash from Mr. Johnson house. Correct option है C. 2 blocks away. Question number 4. Me and the Ecology Bit is all about dash. Correct option है B. Preserving environment and ecology. Question number 5. Who is the author of Me and the Ecology Bit? Correct option है B. John Lexo. Question number 6. Me and the Ecology Bit is an essay which deals with dash. Correct option हो जाएगा B. Ecology. Question number 7 है Where was Mrs. Green peeling newspapers? Correct option हो जाएगा A. Next to her garbage bag. Question number 8. Me and the ecology bit. In this lesson, the narrator talks about how he advises everybody what they should do to protect the dash. Correct option है B. Ecology. Question number 9. The narrator told Mr. Williams not to burn leaves as it is dash for the air and ecology. Correct option है B. Bad. Question number 10. What does Mr. William actually mean to say to Jim? Correct option is C. Compost smells up the whole street. Question number 11. What according to author is good for garden? Correct option is C. Compost. Question number 12. What type of pollution is created by compost according to Mr. Williams? Correct option हो जाएगा B. Noise pollution. Question number 13. Which word in passage is known as filth? Correct option है A. Garbage. Question number 14. The narrator told Mr. Williams not to burn leaves as it dash for the air and ecology. Correct option है B, bed. Question number 15. Which route does the author follow? Correct option है C, paper route. अब देखिए चैप्टर 3 है गिल्लू. चैप्टर 3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. In the story Gillu, the narrator found an injured baby squirrel in her dash. Correct option है B, garden. Question number 2. In the story Gillu, the narrator cleaned the wounds of the baby squirrel and applied dash. Correct option है A, Dettol. Question number 3. Mahadevi Verma is the author of dash. Correct option है A, Gillu. Question number 4. In the story written by Mahadevi Verma, Gillu was injured by dash. Correct option A, crows. Question number 5. Gillu would inform by twittering dash. Correct option है C, chick chick. Question number 6. According to the story Gillu, squirrels have a lifespan of dash. Correct option है B, 2 years. Question number 7. Gillu is about true friendship between a human being and a or an dash. Correct option है A, animal. Question number 8. When the narrator sat down to write, Gillu wanted to catch her dash. Correct option है A, attention. Question number 9. Gillu's favorite food was dash. Correct option है C, kaju. Question number 10. Mahadevi Verma was leading poetess of the dash school of poetry. Correct option है A, छायावादी स्कूल. Question number 11. Mahadevi Verma was the recipient of which of the following award? Correct option हमारा D, all of this. Question number 12. Mahadevi Verma was an elected fellow of dash academy. Correct option हो जाएगा C, कला academy. Question number 13. The narrator liked believe that on some dash day Gillu would come back of life as a small juhi flower. Correct option है B, spring. Question number 14. Gillu has been written by dash. Correct option है C, Mahadevi Verma. Question number 15. Gillu is a story written on a dash. Correct option है C, a squirrel. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर 4 है व्हाट इज़ रॉन्ग विथ इंडियन फिल्म्स. तो आइए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है एज पर द एसे व्हाट इज़ रॉन्ग विथ इंडियन फिल्म्स द मेजोरिटी ऑफ आवर फिल्म्स आर रिपीट विथ डैश. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए, वेरी गुड मैसेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. व्हाट इज़ रॉन्ग विथ इंडियन फिल्म्स हैज़ बीन रिटन बाई डैश. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, सत्यजीत राय. Question number 3. The first feature film in India was produced in dash. Correct option है C, 1913. Question number 4. What is wrong with Indian films? The author compares Indian films with dash films. Correct option है C, western. Question number 5. The cinema dash is various measures, the architecture and a host of other arts, major or minor. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए, कंबाइंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है द रॉ मटेरियल ऑफ सिनेमा इज डैश इटसेल्फ. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, लाइफ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. व्हाट आवर सिनेमा नीड्स अबाउट एवरीथिंग एल्स इन अ स्टाइल एंड idiom or short dash of cinema which would be unequally and recognizably Indian. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, इकोनोग्राफी. Question number 8. The author points out the defects of Indian dash. Correct option है D, thinkers. Question number 9. Let us face the dash. Correct option है B, matter. Question number 10. Indian music in cinema is dash. Correct option है D, improvisational. Question number 11. Which of the following university conferred on Satyajit Ray an honorary doctorate degree, an honor which rare few people have received? Correct option है C, Oxford. Question number 12. According to author, which of the following commands the respect accorded to any other form of creative expression? Correct option है C, cinema. Question number 13. According to author, why are Indian films not shown abroad? Correct option है A, India offers potential market for her own products. Question number 14. In which year First short film was produced in India? Correct option है A, 1907 AD. चैप्टर 5 है एक्सेप्टेंस स्पीच. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हु इज़ द राइटर ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस स्पीच? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी, ऑन्ग सैन सू की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, एरिस firmly believed that his mother would accepted the prize for all the dash Burma, not for have herself. Correct option है A, people. Question number 3, Aung San Suu Kyi was fighting for dash in Burma. Correct option है A, democracy. Question number 4, the Nobel Prize was given to Suu Kyi in dash. Correct option है D, 1991. Question number 5, as per acceptance speech the struggle taking place in Rangoon was for dash. Correct option है A, emancipation of human spirit from political tyranny. Question number 6, as per acceptance speech the beauty of genuine brotherhood and peace is more precious than dash. Correct option है D, all of the above. Question number 7, Aung San Suu Kyi's struggle was for dash. Correct option है A, an autocratic Burma. Question number 8, in the essay acceptance speech Alexander Aris delivered the speech in dash. Correct option है B, Oslo. Question number 9, who was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1991? Correct option है C, Aung San Suu Kyi. Question number 10, which of the following country do Aung San Suu Kyi belong? Correct option है B, Myanmar. Question number 11, who starts to give a speech? Correct option है C, Alexander Aris. Question number 12, who was continuing to sacrifice? Correct option है B, people of Burma. Question number 13, who was dishonored in Burma? Correct option है D, monks. Question number 14, who were the chairman of Nobel Prize Committee in 1991? Correct option is C, King of Sweden. Question number 15, what is more precious than diamond or silver or gold? Correct option है D, all of the above. Chapter 6 है Once Upon a Time. Question number 1 है Toni Morrison received the Nobel Prize in the field of dash. Correct option है C, literature. Question number 2 है in the story Once Upon a Time the woman is the taught of dash. Correct option है A, merchant. Question number 3, Toni Morrison was the first dash to receive the Nobel Prize. Correct option है D, black woman. Question number 4, in the story Once Upon a Time the woman was visited by dash. Correct option है A, some young people. Question number 5, Once Upon a Time has been written by dash. Correct option है C, Toni Morrison. Question number 6, who is the first black woman to receive Nobel Prize? Correct option है B, Toni Morrison. Question number 7, when did Toni Morrison receive the Nobel Prize? Correct option है C, AD 1993. Question number 8, the young people asked the old woman a question whose answer could only be given by one who could dash. Correct option है D, C. Question number 9, the old woman was dash enough to know she could not help the young people. Correct option है B, intelligent. Question number 10, the old woman was the daughter of dash. Correct option है B, slaves. Question number 11, one of the young people choose the old woman as dash. Correct option है D, practiced writer. Question number 12, who was blind but wise? Correct option है A, the old woman. Question number 13, the old woman was dash. Correct option है B, wise. Question number 14, which of the following awards was also given to Toni Morrison? Correct option है C, Pulitzer. Question number 15, which of the following is the recent novel of Toni Morrison? Correct option है B, Paradise. प्रोज सेक्शन का लास्ट चैप्टर है द यूनिटी ऑफ इंडियन कल्चर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द यूनिटी ऑफ इंडियन कल्चर वॉज अ लेक्चर डिलीवर्ड बाय हुमायूं कबीर इन डैश. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी, बड़ौदा यूनिवर्सिटी. Question number 2. Who has delivered the speech The Unity of Indian Culture? Correct option है A. हुमायूं कबीर. Question number 4. Question number 3. Indians have shown the power to make dash changes and of becoming used to new situations. Correct option है A. Big. Question number 4. Where have old civilization and culture grown and changed? Correct option है A. India and China. Question number 5. Culture is always a complex of dash strands of varying importance and vitality. Correct option है D. Many. Question number 6. In India, the difference between masses and classes is not of quality but of information and dash. Correct option है A. Opportunity. Question number 7. Who is the author of this article, The Unity of Indian Culture? Correct option है A. हुमायूं कबीर. Question number 8. Humayun Kabir had delivered the lecture on dash. Correct option is D. The Unity of Indian Culture. Question number 9. Sakas and Hunas came after dash. Correct option is B. The Greeks. Question number 10. The experience of European countries gives us dash. Correct option is A. Civilization. Question number 11. What is keynote of Indian life? Correct option is B. Toleration. Question number 12. What is the key factor of Indian society? Correct option A. Flexibility. Question number 13. What is the most remarkable features of Indian? Correct option है B. Unity in diversity. Question number 14. According to modern research, the existence of dash has been considered to be true. Correct option है C. Pre-Aryan invaders. Question number 15. It is the feeling of belonging to one dash that is so special about Indian culture. Correct option है B. Group. Chapter 8 है Little Girls Wiser Than Men. Question number 1. Which festival is referred by the writer in Little Girls Wiser Than Men? Correct option है C. Easter. Question number 2. Malasha's dash come out and started scolding Akulya's mother. Correct option है D. Mother. Question number 3. The two girls forgot their dash and became friends again. Correct option है A. Anger. Question number 4. Elderly people in the story Little Girls Wiser Than Men were ashamed because dash. Correct option है C. Little girls became friends again. Question number 6. It was an early dash. Correct option है A. Summer. Question number 7. Malasha was dash. Correct option है B. Smaller. Question number 8. Malasha plumped down her dash. Correct option है D. Foot. Question number 9. Where do the two little girls meet? Correct option है C. On the bank of a river. Question number 10 है Why was Akulya's mother angry? Correct option A. Because her daughter's frock became dirty and stained. Question number 11 है Who splashed water on Akulya's frock? Correct option A. Malasha. Question number 12. In this story, the author shows how little children sometimes behave in a more mature manner than dash. Correct option is D. Adults. Question number 13. Malasha put down her foot and splashed dirty water onto Akulya's dash. Correct option is C. Frock. Question number 14. The old woman tried to make everyone understand that as it was Easter, the day should be spent dash. Correct option है B. Happily. अब पोएट्री सेक्शन स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो पोएट्री सेक्शन का पहला चैप्टर है गॉड मेड द कंट्री. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. हु रोट द पोएट्री गॉड मेड द कंट्री? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी. विलियम कॉपर. Question number 2. According to the poet, health and virtue can be found in dash. Correct option है C. Villages. Question number 3. The townspeople do not enjoy any real dash. Correct option है A. Scenery. Question number 4. The villagers can do very well without the dash lights of the town. Correct option है A. Grand. Question number 5. On hearing the songs of the town, singing birds like the dash are afraid and go away. Correct option है C. Cuckoo. Question number 6. According to poetry, who made the town? Correct option है C. Man. Question number 7. Where do you find health and virtue? Correct option है C. Village. Question number 8. What has made the man idle? Correct option है B. Comfortable devices. Question number 9. Why were groves planted? Correct option है A. To comfort us. Question number 10. What is the poet desire? Correct option है D. The pleasure of natural objects. Question number 11. God made the country and man made the dash. Correct option है A. Towns. Question number 12. Where do you find fields and groves? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी. विलेजेस. चैप्टर 2 है ओड ऑन सॉलिट्यूड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Pope in the poem Ode on Solitude says that village people get everything except dash. Correct option है A. Milk from herds. Question number 2. In the poem Ode on Solitude, the poet draws a beautiful picture of dash. Correct option है A. A village. Question number 3. Ode on Solitude is written by dash. Correct option है A. Alexander Pope. Question number 4. Where does the happy man live according to this poetry? Correct option है C. In his native land. Question number 5. How is he content? Correct option है A. To live peacefully. Question number 6. Who gives him food? Correct option है B. Filled. Question number 7. From where does he get his clothes? Correct option है C. From his flocks of sheep. Question number 8. How does the poet desire to sleep? Correct option है B. Soundly. Question number 9. The poet does not want anything to mark the place where he is dead. Correct option A. Buried. Question number 10. A happy man's wants are satisfied by the property inherited by him from his death. Correct option है D. Father. Chapter 3 है Polythene Bag. Question number 1. Polythene bag has been composed by dash. Correct option है A. Durga Prasad Panda. Question number 2. The polythene bag melts down when a little dash is applied. Correct option है C. Warmth. Question number 3. Polythene bag when left to itself dash environment. Correct option है A. Pollutes. Question number 4. The feeling of hurt has been compared to dash. Correct option है A. A garbage bin. Question number 5. What do you mean by hurt? Correct option है B. Painful. Question number 6. What happens when we touch a polythene bag? Correct option है B. It makes a short and shrill noise. Question number 7. What happens when we burn a polythene bag? Correct option है B. It gives a poisonous smell. Question number 8. What happens when we leave a polythene bag on the earth? Correct option है B. It pollutes the environment. Chapter 4 है Thinner than a crescent. Question number 1. Vidyapati's poems are about Radha and dash. Correct option है C. Krishna. Question number 2. Lord Krishna had not met dash for some time. Correct option A. Radha. Question number 3. To whom does the friend make a report in the poem Thinner than a crescent? Correct option है B. Lord Krishna. Question number 4. Radha's tears in the poem Thinner than a crescent has created dash. Correct option is C. A river. Question number 5. Radha's friends were dash about her. Correct option है B. Worried. Question number 6. Who is crying in the poem Thinner than a crescent? Correct option है A. Radha. Question number 7. How is she hurt? Correct option है B. Due to absence of Krishna. Question number 8. Who is Madhav? Correct option है B. The other name of Lord Krishna. Chapter 5 है The Empty Heart. Question number 1. The Empty Heart has been composed by dash. Correct option है A. Periyasamy Thuran. Question number 2. According to the poem The Empty Heart, which of the following statements is true? Correct option is C. The man was not satisfied because he was greedy. Question number 3. Greed is dash but life is not. Correct option is D. Endness. Question number 4. What was the problem of man? Correct option is A. He was very dissatisfied. Question number 5. What did he demand from the tree? Correct option is A. Pot of gold. Question number 6. What happened to his prayer? Correct option is B. Prayers were granted. Question number 7. What were in pitchers? Correct option is B. Gold coins. Question number 8. The poem The Empty Heart tells about the problem caused by dash. Correct option is D. Greed. Question number 9. There was a dash which had the flower to grant wishes. Correct option is C. Tree. Question number 10 है The tree gave the man 7 dash full of gold coins. Correct option is A. Pots or pitchers. Question number 11. The man tried all tricks together. Correct option is D. Gold. Question number 12. What made him mad? Correct option is B. His tendency of getting more and more. Question number 13. What do the silver pitchers symbolize in the poem? Correct option is B. Wealth. Question number 14. Periyasamy Thuran was awarded dash. Correct option है B. पद्म भूषण. चैप्टर 6 है कोयल. Question number 1. The garden that burns the heart of coil is dash. Correct option A. Green. Question number 2. The coil hidden in dash. Correct option B. Mango leaves. Question number 3. Coil has been written by dash. Correct option A. Puran Singh. Question number 4. The poet asks the coil what has dash her. Correct option A. Heart. Question number 5 है The high pitched strains of the coil awakes in the poet's soul a thousand. Correct option है C. Memories. Question number 6. The coil is full of dissatisfaction because its dash is not with her. Correct option is B. Lover. Question number 7. The coil asks the dash not to be motionless and tell it where its beloved is. Correct option is B. Lives. Question number 8. What fires the coil? Correct option is B. The sight of mango blossoms. Question number 9. What is the meaning of thigh? Correct option is C. Your. Question number 10. Where does the coil conceal itself? Correct option is C. In mango leaves. Question number 11. What does the bird do to the poet? Correct option is A. Wakes poet soulful. Wakes poet's soul. Question number 12. Why is the bird so restless? Correct option A. Because the bird has no shelter to live and sing. Question number 13. What has chased the cuckoo wings? Correct option is B. The fire of love. Question number 14. The coil is called the black dash. Correct option is C. Cuckoo. Question number 15. How does the coil feel? Correct option is C. Restless. Question number 16. Which flowers on fire in the poem? Correct option is A. Lotus. Chapter 7 है The Sleeping Porter. Question number 1. In the poem The Sleeping Porter, what distance does the porter cover in the snow of winter? Correct option है B. 6 miles. Question number 2. The sleeping porter is challenging dash. Correct option is B. The mountains. Question number 3. The sleeping porter was wearing a dash cap. Correct option is A. Black. Question number 4. The porter was going up a dash. Correct option is C. Cliff. Question number 5. As a result of very hard work, the porters beat fast. Correct option is B. Heart. Question number 6. Who is the poet of the poetry The Sleeping Porter? Correct option है B. Lakshmi Prasad Devkota. Question number 7. How much load does the porter have on his back? Correct option है A. 25 kilogram. Question number 8. In the last line, the reader finds the porter dash over the rich kingdom of sleep. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए रेनिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, हु इज चैलेंजिंग द माउंटेन? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी द पॉटर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, हु इज ही इन द फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ द पोएम? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए पॉटर। चैप्टर 8 है मार्था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मार्था चिन वॉज डैश? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी नैरो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, मार्था यूज्ड टू टेल हर स्टोरीज इन हेजल डैश? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी ग्लेन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द पोएट न्यू मार्था व्हेन ही वॉज अ डैश? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी चाइल्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, मार्था's स्टोरीज वर अबाउट डैश एंड फेरीज हु लिव्ड अ लॉन्ग टाइम अगो? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए gnomes. Question number 5. As Martha continued with her story, her dash seemed to fade away. Correct option is B. Beauty. Question number 6. The dash felt that they had travelled back into the past when the incidents of Martha's stories had taken place. Correct option is D. Listeners. Question number 7. Who tells her stories over and over again? Correct option is B. Martha. Question number 8. What does Martha do in the Hazel Glen? Correct option है B. Tells her stories. Which of the following word stands for Martha used in the poem? Correct option है B. Her. Question number 10. Which of the following word stands for the watchers used in the poem? Correct option है C. You. Question number 1 है Jim asked Mr. Green to keep the old newspapers for the school-going children who dash them. Correct option है D. Collected. Question number 2. Jim told Mr. Johnson that it would reduce dash and save ecology if he did not use his car for traveling to short distances. Correct option है B. Pollution. Question number 3. Jim's mother told him that he used up dash by watching television all time. Correct option है C. Electricity. Question number 4. Aung San Suu Kyi was fighting for dash in Burma. Correct option है A. Democracy. Question number 5. The Nobel Peace Prize was given to Suu Kyi in dash. Correct option है D. 1991. Question number 6. In this story, the author shows how little children sometimes behave in a more mature manner than dash. Correct option हो जाएगा B. Adults. Question number 7. Malasha put down her foot and splashed dirty water onto Akul's dash. Correct option है C. Frog. Question number 8. Malasha's dash came out and started scolding Akulya's mother. Correct option है D. Mother. Question number 9. Vidyapati's poems are about Radha and dash. Correct option है C. Krishna. Question number 10. Lord Krishna had not met dash for some time. Correct option है A. Radha. Question number 11. Radha's friends were dash about her. Correct option है B. Worried. Question number 12. This poem is in the form of dash. Correct option है B. A report. Question number 13. Radha's friends goes to Krishna dash. Correct option है A. Running. Question number 14. Halku worked as dash. Correct option है A. A tenant farmer. Question number 15. Munni advised Halku to hire himself out as a dash. Correct option है B. Laborer. Question number 16. Halku heard some munching and crunching sounds coming from the dash. Correct option है B. Fields. Question number 17. Munni asked Halku how he could have dashed peacefully when his crops were being destroyed. Correct option है E. Correct option है A. Slept. Question number 18. At the end of the story, Halku is dash. Correct option है D. Contented. Question number 19. The letters are exchanged between a mother and dash. Correct option है C. Daughter. Question number 20. In her letter, the daughter says that she tried her best to follow her dash advice in her married life. Correct option है C. Mothers. Question number 21. The daughter is filled with a sense of dash and emptiness. Correct option है A. Tiredness. Question number 22. The daughter asks her mother why she is not able to attain the satisfaction her mother experienced in her dad's life. Correct option है B. Married. Question number 23. According to the mother, a sense of dash cannot be bought or gifted to someone. Correct option है D. Fulfillment. Question number 24. It happened dash same week you visited my grandmother. Correct option है C. The. Question number 25. He is dash honorable man. Correct option है B. N. Question number 26. He had walked dash 5 hours when they found him. Correct option है D. 4. Question number 27. The building was damaged dash lightning. Correct option है C. By. Question number 28. Like any other country, India has its dash share of superstitions. Correct option है B. Fair. Question number 29. Sachin Tendulkar dash a century in that match. Correct option है D. Scored. Question number 30. Drinking too much dash one's judgment. Correct option है C. Impairs. Question number 31. Man does not live by dash alone. Correct option है D. Bread. Question number 32. It is not possible to dash the suffering. Correct option है A. Mitigate the suffering. Question number 33. I have just come back from Ranchi. Correct option है C. Present perfect tense. Question number 34. It has been raining for a week. Correct option है D. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 35. He went home. Correct option है A. Past indefinite tense. Question number 36. Anything. Correct option है A. Indefinite pronoun. Question number 37. One another. Correct option है B. Reciprocal pronoun. Question number 38. Army. Correct option है A. Collective noun. Question number 39. These. Correct option है C. Demonstrative pronoun. Question number 40. He dares to go there regularly. Correct option है B. Used. Question number 41. Inside. करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा बी. एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. सम. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए. न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 43. वुड. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी. फेमिनिन जेंडर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. कम हेयर प्रदीप. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी. वोकेटिव केस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. इट हैज़ बीन रेनिंग फॉर अ वीक. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. Question number 46. He dares not come before me. Correct option है B. Dare. Question number 47. Unreasonable. Correct option है D. Senseless. Question number 48. Self control. Correct option है A. Restraint. Question number 49. Fully understand. Correct option है B. Comprehend. Question number 50. As population dash up, more and more people are forced to convert forest into farmlands. Correct option है C. Grows. Question number 51. The pace for living has been written by dash. Correct option है D. R.C. Hutchinson. Question number 52. The pace for living is dash. Correct option है B. N. S.C. Question number 53. How were Gillo's eyes? Correct option है D. Blue. Question number 54. How did the squirrel twittered when he was hungry? Correct option है D. Chick chick. Question number 55. Aung San Suu Kyi won the Nobel Peace Prize in the name of all the days. Correct option है A. People of Burma. Question number 56. The Nobel Peace Prize was awarded on December 1991. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी. 10th. क्वेश्चन नंबर 57. द ओल्ड वुमन वॉज द डॉटर ऑफ डैश. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी. स्लेव्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 58. वंस अपॉन अ टाइम हैज़ बीन रिटन बाय डैश. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए. टोनी मॉरिसन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 59. द ओल्ड वुमन वॉज चोजन एज डैश. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए. प्रैक्टिस्ड राइटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 60. अकोल्याज मदर सेज्ड डैश. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी. फुट. Question number 61. Malasha plumped down her dash. Correct option है C. Foot. Question number 62. Malasha was dash. Correct option है B. Smaller. Question number 63. What is wobbling? Correct option है A. Birds singing. Question number 64. Alexander Pope was born in dash. Correct option है B. 1688. Question number 65. The poet wants sound sleep by dash. Correct option है A. Night. Question number 66. The poem Polythene Bag is the correlation between human emotion and dash. Correct option है B. Mundane thing. Question number 67. When it is touched, it makes a dash. Correct option है B. Squeaky noise. Question number 68. Polythene bag never gets dissolved. Correct option है D. Into the earth's crust. Question number 69. The poem God Made the Country has been composed by dash. Correct option है D. William Cowper. Question number 70. At eve, the moon beamed dash softly. Correct option है D. Sliding. Question number 71. The potter's mind is very dash. Correct option है D. Dull. Question number 72. Who is facing the uphill task? Correct option है A. A potter. Question number 73. The poem The Sleeping Porter has been composed by dash. Correct option है C. Vidyapati. Question number 74. Martha was a dash. Correct option है B. Preacher. Question number 75. Martha would sit with her two dash. Correct option है A. Long hands. Question number 76. Once upon a time there dash a king. Correct option है A. Lived. Question number 77. The house is dash of glass. Correct option है B. Made. Question number 78. The shirt dash last week. Correct option A. Was washed. Question number 79. Let the police be dash of the accident. Correct option है A. Informed. Question number 80. You are to dash by him. Correct option A. You are to be invited by him. Question number 81. It is that absurd story. Correct option है B. N. Question number 82. I want to eat dash apple. Correct option है B. N. Question number 83. The boys were punished for dash late. Correct option है D. Coming. Question number 84. It is a common sight to see youngsters dash junk food. Correct option है C. Eating. Question number 85. Suganya is typing. Correct option है C. Present continuous. Question number 86. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar. Correct option है A. Simple past. Question number 87. My uncle has invested a lot of money dash farming. Correct option A. In. Question number 88. India is committed dash a policy of peaceful existence. Correct option है D. 2. Question number 89. Select the odd one out. Correct option हो जाएगा आपका C. Hen. Question number 90. Select the odd one out. Correct option हो जाएगा A. Road. Question number 91. Ox. करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा बी. ऑक्सन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 92. फिक्शन. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी. फिक्शंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 93. प्रिस्ट. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए. हुड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 94. लुक. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी. एबल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 95. द ट्रेन इज डैश आउट ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म नाउ. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी. पुलिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 96. डॉक्टर ने धूम्रपान मना किया. करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा बी. डॉक्टर हैड प्रोहिबिटेड टू स्मोक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 97. जॉन मिल्टन एक महान कवि थे. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए. जॉन मिल्टन. करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा बी. जॉन मिल्टन वॉज अ ग्रेट पोएट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 98. जो वह कहता है सही है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी. व्हाट ही सेड इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 99. टहलना अच्छी कसरत है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए. वॉकिंग. टहलना अच्छी कसरत है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी. वॉकिंग इज अ गुड एक्सरसाइज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 100, सुभाष चंद्र बोस को कौन नहीं जानता है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए, हु करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी, हु डज नॉट नो सुभाष चंद्र बोस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, हु वाज हल्कू? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी, और टीनेंट फार्मर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विद्यापति बॉर्न इन द विलेज ऑफ बिसापी इन डैश? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए, मधुबनी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नेम वॉज गिवन टू द स्क्वेरल? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, गिल्लू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, वाट डज द वर्ड गार्बेज मीन? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी, फिल्थ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, हु इज द फर्स्ट ब्लैक वुमन टू रिसीव नोबेल प्राइज? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी, टोनी मॉरिसन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, हु हैज़ कंपोज्ड द पोएम पॉलीथीन बैग? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए, दुर्गा प्रसाद पांडा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, हु इज माधव? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, लॉर्ड कृष्णाज इनेमी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द पोएम द स्लीपिंग पॉटर? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी, लक्ष्मी प्रसाद देवकोटा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, हाउ कैन एलर्जिक डिजीजेज बी ट्रीट? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, बोथ ए एंड बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑथर ऑफ व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विथ इंडियन फिल्म्स, व्हाई आर इंडियन फिल्म्स नॉट शोन अब्रोड? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए, इंडिया ऑफर्स पोटेंशियल मार्केट फॉर हर ओन प्रोडक्ट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, आर.सी. हचिंसन हैज रिटन डैश? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, द पेस फॉर लिविंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, इन द पेस फॉर लिविंग द ऑथर सॉ अ डैश? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, प्ले। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, मी एंड द इकोलॉजी बिट हैज़ बीन ऑथर्ड बाई? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, जॉन लिग्जाउ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, विच वन इज नॉट वन ऑफ द स्लोगन्स इन मी एंड द इकोलॉजी बिट? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, सेव माउंटेन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, महादेवी वर्मा वॉज बेसिकली डैश? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, अ पोएटेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, इन द स्टोरी रिटन बाई महादेवी वर्मा गिल्लू वाज अ डैश? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी, स्क्वायरल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, सत्यजीत राय वॉज अ वेल नोन डैश? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी, फिल्म डायरेक्टर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, according to the essay what is wrong with Indian films, the average American film is a or an dash? Correct option है A, bad model। Question number 19, Aung San Suu Kyi was born in dash? Correct option है C, Rangoon। Question number 20, Aung San Suu Kyi won the Nobel Prize in the field of dash? Correct option है A, peace। Question number 21, Toni Morrison received the Nobel Prize in dash? Correct option है D, 1993। Question number 22, once upon a time there was an old woman blind wise has been taken from dash? Correct option है C, once upon a time। Question number 23, who has written the unity of Indian culture? Correct option है D, हुमायूं कबीर। Question number 24, according to the writer of the unity of Indian culture, the were regarded as the earliest invaders of the land dash? Correct option हो जाएगा A, Aryans। Question number 25, the story written by Leo Tolstoy is dash? Correct option है B, little girls wiser than men। Question number 26, Leo Tolstoy's story is about dash? Correct option है A, two girls। Question number 27, God made the country has been composed by dash? Correct option है C, William Cowper। Question number 28, according to the poem God made the country, man made dash? Correct option है C, towns। Question number 29, a poem written in 14 lines is called dash? Correct option is C, a sonnet। Question number 30, according to the poet of Ode on Solitude, a happy man is satisfied with dash? Correct option is A, a few acres of inherited land। Question number 31, burnt polythene bag एक्सूड्स डैश, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए पंजेंट स्मेल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 32, विद्यापति बिलोंग्स टू डैश, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी मधुबनी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33, द एम्प्टी हार्ट स्पीक्स अबाउट डैश, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी ग्रीड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34, द स्लीपिंग पॉटर कैरीज अ लोड ऑफ डैश, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी 25 kilos। क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, हु इज द मेन कैरेक्टर इन द स्टोरी जनवरी नाइट, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी हल्कू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 36, एलर्जी हैज़ बीन रिटन बाई डैश, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी SP सिंह। क्वेश्चन नंबर 37, द बेट इज अ स्टोरी अबाउट डैश, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी अ बैंकर एंड अ लॉयर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 38, इन क्वालिटी द वर्क ऑफ शू मेकिंग हैज़ बीन रेफर्ड टू एज डैश, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी एन आर्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 39, द रियल कुक इन द स्टोरी सन एंड मून इज डैश, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी मून। क्वेश्चन नंबर 40, द बॉन्ड बिटवीन द डॉटर एंड द मदर इन द स्टोरी टू हॉरिजोन्स इज डैश, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी एफेक्शनेट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 40, क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, चूज द करेक्ट पैसिव फ्रॉम दे आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म अ ड्रामा, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए और ड्रामा इज गोइंग टू बी परफॉर्म्ड बाई देम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 42, चूज द करेक्ट पैसिव फॉर्म ऑफ somebody stole my pen, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी माई पेन हैज़ बीन स्टोलन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 43, चूज द करेक्ट पैसिव फॉर्म ऑफ द न्यूज़ शॉक्ड मी, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी आई वॉज शॉक्ड एट द न्यूज़। क्वेश्चन नंबर 44, पम्मी सेड आई वांट टू बाय अ कार, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी पम्मी सेड दैट शी वांटेड टू बाय अ कार। क्वेश्चन नंबर 45, रौनक सेज आई शैल गो टू दिल्ली, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी रौनक सेड दैट ही विल गो टू दिल्ली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 46, अंकुर सेड मेन आर मॉर्टल, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी अंकुर सेड दैट मेन आर मॉर्टल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 47, ही विल बी डैश अ मैच, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी प्लेइंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 48, स्लो एंड स्टडी डैश द रेस, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी विंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 49, इधर अमित और सुमित डैश डन इट, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी हैज़। क्वेश्चन नंबर 50, दिस इज एंटायरली डैश यू एंड मी, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए बिटवीन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51, फर्नीचर इज यूजुअली मेड डैश वुड, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी ऑफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 52, ही वॉज कन्विक्टेड डैश मर्डर, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी फॉर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 53, यहाँ से जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें आपको क्या करना है, देखना है कि जो करेक्ट स्पेलिंग किस वर्ड में है उसको आपको सेलेक्ट करना है, ठीक है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 53 का करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए ट्यूशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 54, इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा ए डिजास्ट्रस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 55 का करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी ओकेजन। आइए क्वेश्चन नंबर 56, सच्चाई कभी परास्त नहीं होती, इसको आपको क्या करना है, ट्रांसलेट करना है। तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपका हो जाएगा बी ट्रूथ नेवर गेट्स डिफीटेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 57, धूम्रपान स्वास्थ्य के लिए हानिकारक है, करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा सी स्मोकिंग इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 58, मुंबई कोलकाता से छोटा नगर है, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी मुंबई इज अ स्मॉलर सिटी देन कोलकाता। क्वेश्चन नंबर 59, आज मुझे बहुत काम करने हैं, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी आई हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क टुडे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 60, सड़क के दोनों ओर वृक्ष थे, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी देयर वर ट्रीज ऑन ईदर साइड ऑफ द रोड। आई होप आपको सारे क्वेश्चन अच्छे से समझ में आए होंगे।